3 days before the year ends, but there is still time to make an impact in the lives of those in need, all while doing your taxes. Here to help break down how is the author of the book, Financial Planning Made Personal, and the founder of Midland Financial, certified financial planner Larry Sprung. Larry, welcome back. Good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
So it's the end of the year. Let's start with the basics first. Is money the only way to give back and get a write-off, or are there other ways?
You could donate goods, right?
Yep.
If, do some early spring cleaning during winter, start going through the house, clean out those items, bring them to a local charity, thrift store, 501c3 that would accept them. Make sure you get a receipt, and that's another way that you could donate and clean out your house at the same time.
When you're advising clients, what advice do you give them when it comes to donating?
So, everybody's a little bit different, right?
Yeah.
It depends on what their goals are. Some people want to just do good, and that's their motivation. Other people really need or want a tax deduction, so they want to see how they can maximize that. So it really depends on what the family's really looking for.
I am curious, is there a maximum donation amount that you can write off?
So there are maximums on how much you can write off on your taxes, anywhere between 30 to 60%, depending upon what you're donating and to who or what kind of entity you're donating to. But you can donate as much as you want. You just may not get the tax benefits for it all.
I'm just looking at this charitable donations list. Great information there. There are tons of different charitable organizations and, of course, memorial funds set up to help different causes. Your family actually set up your own fund to honor your wife's late brother. Tell us about that. And, of course, does this help with taxes, too?
Yeah, of course. So we set up a memorial fund in my brother-in-law, Keith Milano's name, over 20 years ago, and we lost him to suicide. And mental health has been something that's been very important to us and our family. So we aligned ourselves with the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, which is a leading 501c3 in that space. Rather than us forming our own 501c3, we aligned with them. We accept donations through them, and it gives us the ability to, direct where those donations are being utilized. We're making sure that they're important to our family and the cause. So we can donate there, completely, write off, and others can also donate there as well as a charitable contribution.
What a great cause to turn tragedy into something good. Thank you for sharing that. So are there organizations that are easier to donate to? For example, the Salvation Army, or can you make donations just about anywhere and get the same benefits?
Yeah, with online now, going on the internet, you could basically go on to Charity Navigator, which is a rating system for charities. Find a charity that you're aligned with that has a 4-star rating, and typically you can make a straight donation online. It's really that easy. Donating goods may be a little bit more difficult, finding somewhere that wants those specific items, and then you have to get them in the car, bring them over there. A little more involved than just going on with a few clicks.
All right, now the hard part. Once someone is ready to claim their tax deduction and file, where do they get started here?
Yeah, you should definitely have a good tax preparer to help you out. Make sure that you keep good records of everything. Even though some donations under certain limits, like $250, et cetera, you don't necessarily need a receipt. I would say err on the side of caution. Make sure you have everything documented, and make sure that you're keeping those receipts and providing them to your tax preparer, or have them ready when you're preparing your own taxes, and make sure that you're getting the proper write-off that you're expecting.
Great advice to end the year, and of course, start a new one. Laura Sprung, Happy New Year. Thank you for everything you've done for us this year, and of course, coming on today as well.
Thank you.
Of course. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.